Hi guys, I'm out here on the farm on Labor Day weekend, um, trying to get some things done. It's a nice little outcast of clouds and storms. Um, but right now it feels real good, about 87, what is it, about 75 degrees.
It's about like 75 degrees
Feels real
right
good
now.
out here.
It's
Um,
not like them 90 degrees out
I'm
here.
out here, me and my stepdaughter, Alex, say hi. And
It's like my second time on the farm right now.
I cut the grass all up through here, all up in here, and all the way up over here. This grass grows so fast, guys. I can't wait till it goes dormant so that I ain't got to worry about that.
Come over here.
Cut all that. I cut all that. I still got to cut up here. I still got to cut up over there. And I cut up over here. And then I still got to cut up over there. So, yeah, that's the agenda today is just to get the grass cut. So, but right now, it's Labor Day weekend and we drove all night to get here. Um, we just want to cook us a little dinner. So I think I'm going to do a little stir fry.
I was the
And
dairy man of the day.
so we can get our little meal going. So I'll
And these
follow
flies,
back to you guys as soon
hey,
as I start this cooking.
these flies are weird over here.
Yeah, it's mating fly season. All right, guys, so I'm putting this stir fry meat on this flat grill so we can have us a little stir fry. And then also, with my stepdaughter watching, maybe she'll learn how to cook something, right? The camera can see me, right? Or just see half of it. We'll pick it up. All right, so getting this meat on here on the grill. All right, so I've got first part on. Second part. Make sure you get. All right, I'm gonna pause real quick. I'm trying to get this meat on here quick enough so I can season it. Cooking a lot of this so we can eat on this for. We ain't eat breakfast, we ain't eat lunch, so this is gonna be a lunch dinner. It's still a little warm up here, guys, but I'm over this hot heat. So bear with me while I get this cooking on. So bear with me. Probably didn't hear me. I think my mic was off, guys. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. But I'm new to this stuff, so I'm trying to give content, you know. But this is stuff you gotta do when you're working on the farm. You gotta feed yourself. So that's what we're doing. My dog will be able to get that. I dropped a piece of that nice little meat, but I let the dog have it. He right there. You can have it. There you go. A little onion powder. Little black pepper. Guys, I wish you could smell this. Woo. Smells so good. Little lemon pepper. Little garlic powder. Some little minced onions. Guys, if you only knew how that smelled. I know it looks good. I wish you guys could taste it. But this gonna be some slamming different. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back to you in just a second. I'm gonna get the next piece of this dish. Alright guys, then the next part of this is the onions. Pause it. Alright guys, I'm putting a little bit of this country crock drizzle to sizzle on these onions. I want to get these nice, good, and caramelized, right? To go in this stir fry. The lemon pepper. Some minced onions. A little salt. A little garlic powder. A little onion powder on the onions. Give it that flavor. Black pepper. I'm gonna throw a little bit of this soy sauce on there too, give it that flavor. Guys, when I tell you this stuff smells so good, stuff smells good. Looks good too. Turn it up a little bit. Get this process to work a little faster. Put a little bit more butter on there, so I can get that drizzle sizzle. Guys, if you could you please like, subscribe? I'm in for suggestions. You know, if you can figure out a way to make this dish a little better than I'm gonna make it, you know, I take comments. We know whether they're good or bad. But you really can't go bad with cooking if you put the right flavor to it. As long as you got the right flavor, the right seasonings, you can never go bad with cooking. And if you do, drown yourself. Them onions are getting nicely good and caramelized. It's gonna go good with the rest of the stir fry. And the good thing about cooking on a flat grill is you get yourself from being outside. You go outside and get some of this fresh country air instead of being cooped up in a house. Which is the whole purpose of being out on the farm. You want to enjoy the outside. You want to enjoy the outside life. So that's why I brought this up here, so that I can, you know, cook outside to prevent, you know, having to turn the AC on so cold, because you're cooking right out here. And the sun then came out a little bit. They actually got a nice little trail ride going on down here. And I wanted to go, but I got too much work. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna pause this till I put the next dish on. Alright guys, my next dish is peppers. Put a little bit more of that sizzle dizzle. That drizzle sizzle on here. Put a little seasoning on there, a little salt. Minced onions. Can't get enough of them onions. Onions always gonna give your food good flavor. A little onion powder. A little black pepper. A little soy sauce. And we're gonna get off into this thing. Give me a moment, and I'm gonna go get the next dish. All right, guys. I'm on to the next step. Stir fry. Guys, I know you can smell this. It smells good. A little soy sauce. Some of that drizzle sizzle. A little bit of that onion powder. A bit of that black pepper. And guys, we are cooking. We are cooking. Garlic powder. Pink Himalayan salt. I don't do that man-made salt. We'll get a good amount of these minced onions on here. Like I say, dog, when we get to eating this here, you gonna want some. I do this thing. All right, them peppers about there. We're gonna put them over here with this. God, I'm ready to eat. God, I'm gonna put a little bit more of that old drizzle dizzle. Drizzle sizzle. Well, I'm gonna call it drizzle dizzle. Never can't have enough of that drizzle dizzle. A little bit more of this soy sauce. I want to make sure everything got a nice flavor. I got rice already cooked inside the house. The missus cooked the rice. She cut up the vegetables. But that's all she want to do. That and TV. Yeah, but I got my stepdaughter and she's doing an awesome job. Hopefully she come out here more often. And we can get a lot more content. And I ain't gotta do everything by myself. I can get a little help. Alright guys, give me a moment and I'll be right back to you. Alright guys, we are down to our final stretch. From now, we can get our little teriyaki season. And we're gonna let this thing do what it do. I think that should be enough. And we're gonna let this try and do what it do. Guys, make sure you hit me in the comments. Please like, please subscribe. Every little thing helps. I appreciate you guys. Just to even think about following my channel. See all that goodness? Look at all this goodness. God, we're gonna eat good. Okay. God, we're gonna eat good. We're gonna keep them separate. All right, guys, we are done here. So, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and like I say, you guys even know some recipes. I'll try that on the flat grill. Like I say, our agenda just for Labor Day is actually really to relax from the city, just to be out here and enjoy everything, and just to have a good time. Sit back, relax, eat. Um, we ain't gonna do no barbecuing because I don't have any of that stuff out here yet, but I got this, so we're gonna make this thing work for us for this holiday. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and always, you know, I appreciate you guys a lot. Um, just to watch my channel is a blessing to me and my family. So if you could, like I say, you know, just have a simple conversation or whatever, and if there's some things around my farm that you like, this is some things that I can help you with or you can help me with, guys, just please comment and ask questions. Because like I say, I'm new to this. I'm trying to get this thing together. Um, I get it as far as I can. And like I say, I learn every day, especially when it comes to this homesteading. I ain't never done this before. I mean, I did a lot of gardening and stuff like that when I was younger with my grandmother. But a lot of this stuff just comes second nature. It's just in my spirit. And when I start a task, I start a task, and I try to finish that task and get it done. Like I said, I enjoy being out here. It's peaceful. You don't hear nothing. It's quiet. I love nature. I just love being out in the wilderness, and like I say, this place right here is very quiet. You don't hear anything but the dog breathing. Other than that, you don't hear nothing. Um, so you guys, like I say, please like and subscribe and continue to follow my content. Thank you, and you guys have a great day and have a good Labor Day holiday weekend.